Many states are carefully considering steps that would help them collect sales tax on items purchased through the Internet. How many randomly selected sales transactions must be surveyed to determine the percentage that transpired over the Internet? Assume that we want to be 90% confident that the sample percentage is within 2 percentage points of the true population percentage for all transactions. The formula for calculating a sample size when you're conducting a study about a proportion is here. N is equal to 0.25 times Z over E squared when there is no estimate for the sample proportion, which we don't have here. All we have here is a 90% confidence level, and we are told that we are to be within 2 percentage points. And that means then that the margin of error will be 0.02. So we're going to need to find a z-value that corresponds to a confidence level of 90%. And if we think about this normal distribution, if we put 90% of the distribution between a z-value and its opposite, then that's going to leave 0.05 in each tail, so that all of that adds to 1. So we'll go to StatCrunch, and we'll click Stat, Calculators, Normal, and we'll leave the mean at 0, the standard deviation at 1, and then we'll make this say 0.95. And if we hit Compute, we're going to find a z-value here of 1.645 if we go to 3 decimal places. And we should find the opposite of that if we change this to 0.05. And we do. We find minus 1.645 if we, again, go to 3 decimal places. So, z then will be 1.645. So now we will just carry out this calculation. N equals 0.25 times 1.645 divided by 0.02, and then that quantity squared. And when we do that, we're going to wind up with 1691.3 if we go to 1 decimal place. But the thing about this is that anytime we do a calculation for a sample size, we always round up. We do that so that we don't compromise our confidence level or our precision. So this N should be 1692.